Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process Shark Robot Vacuum Troubleshooting. Okay, so let's go to discuss with by each step. So first of all, charging issue. So if you are facing the charging issue, first you need to check the power outlet and ensure proper contact between the vacuum and the dock. Okay, clean the charging contact with dry cloth and reboot the vacuum by holding the dock button or toggling the side switch. Okay, so second step is check the power sources. Ensure the charging dock is securely plugged into the wall outlet, power stripe, or you choose a power source. Okay, and if connected to a power stripe, ensure the stripe is switched on. Okay, so third step is reboot your device. Reboot your phone, restart your router, and after this reboot your robot by taking it off the dock and pressing the power button for 10 seconds. Wait for 10 seconds before turning the robot back on. Okay, so fourth step is factory reset your Shark robot vacuum. To factory reset your Shark robot vacuum using the Shark Clean app, open the app on your mobile device and connect to it the same Wi-Fi as the vacuum. Go to the setting menu and select factory reset and confirm the reset by entering the password. Okay, and how to manual reset? Unplug the vacuum and turn it upside down. Hold the power button for the side for 10 seconds until it turn off. Wait for 10 seconds, then turn it back on. The vacuum will reset and power on. Okay, so this is the all step. Thanks guys, have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.